It's very specific, right?
All right, we'll hit a break, but first let's check in with National Trial Attorney, big case Michael Jaafar, who, a lot of people don't know this, his street name is Detroit as well. Happy Friday to you, sir. What do you think of this guy representing himself, Ty Tucker?
This is a complete train wreck. It's comical if it wasn't so tragic. So obviously he has the right to defend himself, but you could see himself signing his death warrant with the line of inquiry, right? So he is making this witness go down a trail that's totally irrelevant. How do you execute I think what he's trying to do, and it would be stupid if he's trying to do it, I think what he's trying to do is, you actually had no right to arrest me, right? You know, that's what criminals always do. He's innocent until proven guilty, but the record pretty much speaks for itself at this point. And the fact that he had irreconcilable differences with his attorney kind of tells you, I know what these conversations look like, by the way. When I was a public defender, there were some clients I hoped fired me because I was doing a favor to the judge by accepting the case, and I didn't want the case, and the judge basically told me, please take this case. The older seasoned attorneys don't want this case, right? You're a young kid, you can handle it, right? You don't have kids, you can work late hours, we can't do it, right? So there were some of those clients where I wish they'd fired me, right? And a couple of them tried to, and the judge wouldn't let them do it, right? So, and the conversation was, hey, I want to do this in the trial, and I would tell the defendant, no, that's bad. That's going to get you convicted. I need you to shut your mouth and not do that. And then they would throw their arm. No, I want to tell my story to the jury. I don't think they had the right to fire me. I'm thinking of dozens of defendants that had that same wish list, and it always came down to mental health, right? This person obviously is addicted to drugs. The record pretty much speaks for itself. They were doing crack before the robbery, after the robbery, and they were there to get a drug debt. So in my opinion, Ted, I think this is like a train wreck, and the kinds of train wreck you would expect when somebody's defending themselves.
Okay, we got to get Marie Pereira on the phone because this would have been a good debate. She thinks he's doing a fantastic job. I mean, if you categorize him in terms of people that have represented him themselves, you know, Darrell Brooks is down here. He's pretty far up there. I mean, he's compelling-ish, but I tend to agree with you. He's clunky, and then of course he's going to be. He's not trained. Let's get a break. We'll get you back in for more right after this.